To compress hours of deep technical research into a few minutes, we have to move past querying a single AI model. Instead, we can execute a single command that replaces one query with an entire parallel development team. Before you deploy this, you have to apply the 80-20 rule. This architecture is massive overkill for standard tasks. Reserve this specific engine strictly for your most complex, high-stakes problems. This diagram shows the core requirement of this workflow. To achieve real speed, every task you assign must be independent. You cannot have agents rely on sequential outputs, where Agent B is forced to sit and wait for Agent A to finish. Deploying parallel agents on sequential or trivial tasks is a waste of resources. If the tasks aren't independent, the system breaks, and you'll see your API credit balance drop without any gain in speed. Step 1 is priming the context window. State your core objective directly in the chat and explicitly command the AI to ask you clarificatory questions before it writes a single line of code. Answering these preliminary questions allows you to verify the project's logic before the agents start work. It's the most effective way to ensure the system stays on track and reduces the chance of hallucinations at scale. Activate the engine by typing ultra code into the chat and hitting enter. Ignore the standard effort dial. That dial only dictates how hard a single agent thinks. The text command bypasses it to spawn the entire parallel team. Firing an entire team without precise coordinates is a major risk. A small misunderstanding early on leads the entire group toward a costly, incorrect deviation. To get high-quality output, configure a multi-agent debate by assigning specific, conflicting personas, like pairing a growth strategist against a CFO. Next, explicitly command these agents to ruthlessly critique each other, stress-testing every idea before it reaches a head judge. Look at the back-end terminal. You'll see 11 sub-agents spawned through a process called deterministic fanout. Notice that they are managed by JavaScript code rather than a central language model. We use pure code for the management layer because it prevents the manager from forgetting instructions or losing focus over long, complex executions. This adversarial structure surfaces flaws early. A specialized skeptic is much more likely to flag a technical oversight than a generic master model acting alone. While the agents debate, you can monitor the live execution. This dashboard tracks the real-time token burn and shows the exact progress bars for each distinct persona. Behind the interface, the system cycles through 5 automated phases. It moves from initial reconnaissance and thread merging directly to the 5th and final build deployment. When the process finishes, you can bypass the individual agent debates entirely. Scroll straight to the final synthesized verdict block to find the hybrid ideas that survived the critique. Let's check the interface the agents built. Notice the sidebar navigation. It contains exactly 5 numbered items, following the rule that the human mind easily clusters up to 5 items, but struggles with 6. Finally, we verify the backend functionality. This data table successfully pulls and filters live AI models by token throughput and cost, ensuring your operating system remains model agnostic. Breaking the execution into these automated phases guarantees high-quality software architecture and balanced data synthesis without requiring manual human oversight at every step. Before you deploy to an enterprise client, you have to lock down security. We integrate automated compliance directly into the build by toggling these tracking policies for SOC 2 and GDPR. This usage dashboard shows the financial cost of a parallel fanout. Notice the sharp rise in API token usage. That surge triggers a multiplier warning. To manage your budget, turn this off for trivial refactors, reserving it solely for research-heavy tasks. That is the ultimate trade-off of ultracode. You gain an enterprise-grade development team in a box, but it demands rigorous financial oversight to prevent runaway costs. You have successfully scoped a complex problem, parallelized the execution, managed an adversarial debate, and secured a fully functional system module. A production cycle that usually takes days of drafting and debugging was executed from start to finish in mere minutes. All the copy-paste templates for the adversarial judge panel and the scoping prompts are available in the video description below. Mastering this engine transitions you away from standard coding. You are now an architectural orchestrator with much greater leverage over complex technical problems.